Second, I'm cool like a wild of the fool. Just move to the hip-hop sound. Have mercy. Them a cause too much problem. Well, cowboy with bad intention. Them come in at the dance and kill the vibes for everyone. Well, step on a toe then your life could be done. What happens to the dance ideas of